Welcome back. State government should construct a bridge from airport to the land available opposite Naval Club for smooth traffic. This idea has come from Daboli MLA Marvin Gudino. He was speaking after welcoming first flight from Mumbai in new terminal at Daboli. He assured Goans that Daboli airport will not be closed and will be available for civil and commercial operations even in future.
Opposite जो land हा नेवल क्लब हा तेजे ये साइडी खूब जमीन हा ती एणी कितें करपा जाय फकत एक ब्रिज घालपा जाय हे साइडीसून ते साइडी एब्रॉड तशेंच आहा इवन एलिवेटर आसा लोकां एक साइडीसून दुसरे साइडी वचपाक आमी ते चिंतपा जाय आनी तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता इवन पार्किंग प्रॉब्लेम हे सॉल्व जातले पूण आतां एअरपोर्ट कमिशन जाला म्हूण पार्किंग प्रॉब्लेमूय एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीचे प्रॉब्लेम न्ही हे स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाचे प्रॉब्लेम म्हाका खात्री आसा स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटूय हे बेगीन लक्षांत घेवन सारके डिसिजन करून सगळे स्मूथ ट्रॅफिक जाता तशें जावपा अशें ते शक्य ते करतले म्हूण
170 passengers from Mumbai arrived in a flight to Goa scheduled at new terminus of the international airport at Dabolim. In all, 5 arrivals and 1 departure is scheduled on Tuesday from new terminus.
So we are shifting in the phased manner. Today we are shifting the first phase of operation. Another week time the entire operation will be shifted to the new terminal building. There will be no operation at the old terminal building. Completely the old terminal will be closed for passenger movement. That will be only used for the office users for AA and other stakeholders.
People had an impression no Dabolim airport will be shifted, it will not survive. Today you have a spanking new airport spending almost 450 crores by the central government, which is a strong signal that Dabolim has come to stay. Come what may, nobody can ever shift Dabolim or close Dabolim for civilian commercial operation.
Airport director said other problems related to the terminus will be solved in due course of time. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
The Supreme Court on Tuesday commuted death sentence of 3 assassins of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi to life imprisonment. The 3 convicts, Murugan, Santan and Arivu, had pleaded for the commutation of the death sentences on grounds of inordinate delay in deciding their mercy petitions for 11 years. A bench headed by Chief Justice P. Sathasivam pronounced the verdict, saying that the delay was not only inordinate but also unreasonable and unexplained.
The convicts sought commutation of their death sentence to life imprisonment on account of the inordinate delay of nearly 11 years in deciding their mercy petitions. The 3 convicts, V. Sriharan alias Murugan, T. Sutendra Raja alias Santan and A.G. Perarivalan alias Arivu, had pleaded for the commutation of their death sentence. Rajiv Gandhi was killed in 1991. His assassins were convicted by a Tata court in January 1998 and were awarded death sentence, which was confirmed by the Apex Court on May 11, 1999.
Extremely happy. I have been fighting for justice in this case from the beginning.
It's a right judgment. We should be grateful to the Supreme Court for having laid down this law. This law is the law in every civilized country.
Argument by the learned Attorney General was in very poor taste. It's of course correct on the court to have rejected this proposition advanced by the Attorney General. Had in fact they not done so, India would have retreated back into the Middle Ages as far as
The 3 were among 26 convicted of playing minor roles in the May 1991 assassination, but were the only ones left on the death row after the others were released or had their sentence commuted earlier. They were members of the Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam, a Sri Lankan-based separatist movement which was wiped out by Sri Lankan forces in 2009. Murugan's wife Nalini was also sentenced to death, but it was commuted to life on the intervention of Rajiv Gandhi's widow Sonia Gandhi. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Sirula Comunidad members have demanded judicial probe in Sirula Comunidad Rakas during election. They made a representation to the Porvorim MLA. They say election was stopped halfway and have demanded completion of the election process. Porvorim MLA Rohan County said he is with the people and would take up the issue with the Chief Minister.
आवेदन का तो सध्या ऑनरेबल सीएम कडे मीटिंग लाइन अप करपाक सांगल्या. We will be meeting the CM with our grievances, highlighting whatever issues फेस्ड दॅट डे. ते दिसा मेन म्हणल्यार पयलो एक ज्युडिशियल प्रोब नाल्यार कसलो तरी एक इन्क्वायरी जावचीच पडटली to know what exactly went wrong, who were the people involved in this, and whether they were a part of the comunidad to enter the premises. Number 2 is elections of the comunidad were stopped halfway. So हे जेन्ना प्रेसिडेंट आनी ताजो सबस्टिट्यूट जेन्ना इलेक्ट जाल्ले ताज्या मागीर तांणी जो बोवाळ जो केला आनी इलेक्शन्स बंद जाल्या, these people want our गांवकार्स and जनकार्स want the election process to be completed. So ही दोन्ही जे डिमांड्स आसा, we will be talking to our honorable CM on this. म्हाका खात्री आसा की तो सॉल्व करतलो. केलो ना जाल्यार मागीर जे गांवकारांक आनी जणकारांक दिसता वाट काडपाक टू गेट जस्टीस, दॅट आय विल बी डेफिनेटली सपोर्टिंग देअर कॉज टू सी दॅट दे गेट जस्टीस आउट ऑफ दॅट इलेक्शन्स. म्हाका नांवां दिल्या ते चडशे सगळे BJPचेच लोक थंय आसा आशिल्ले. ते पार्टीचे कार्यकर्ते फ्रॉम पर्वरीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, एक मंत्र्याचो भाव, हे जे काही व्यक्ती तांणी जे नांवां घेतल्या आनी रिप्रेझेंटेशन जे तांणी तयार केलां ते आय थिंक ऑनरेबल CM हॅज टू टेक एक्शन ऑन दिस. कित्याक एंड ऑफ द डे दीस जणकार्स आनी गांवकारांची कुमुदाद आनी भायले येवन समज करतले, पुलिसेक धक्कामुक्की करतले, पुलीस थंयच्यान वतले, डेप्युटी कलेक्टर कांयच करचो ना एक्शन. दीस इज इनकम्पिटन्सी एंड टोटल फेलियर ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड द पुलीस मशिनरी.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.